During EDGE 2021 in Abu Dhabi, Al Tariq, an EDGE company involved in the design and manufacturing of precision-guided munitions, showcased its integration of the Al Tariq guidance kit on a newly developed penetration warhead. The program is currently in the final phases of qualification and field testing. It will be ready for production toward the end of 2021. This new development will enhance Al Tariq's capabilities to successfully engage hardened targets. In line with its participation at EDGE 2021, Al Tariq provided details of the major upgrades of this family of precision-guided missiles. The system integration onto a new generation of penetration warhead is a milestone achievement for the company, making it possible to field such a purpose-built warhead of a guidance kit. This new feature enhances the capability to neutralize strategic infrastructure such as bridges, reinforced shelters, control centers, and fortified installation utilizing the warhead's penetrating performance. Al Tariq also briefed stakeholders on the enhancements implemented to its family of precision-guided missiles, which have recently been updated to the Block 2 specifications. The upgrade boasts a host of latest technology improvements, including an enhanced navigation solution, a new 8-of-burst sensor capability for airburst applications, and a weapon system that is capable of being digitally integrated on aircraft, requiring either MIL-STD 1760 or Digibus interfacing. The upgrade further boasts the integration of Al Tariq's precision-guided missiles with a new power pack that equip the weapons with a pre-flight power source, as well as greater mission flexibility through leveraging cockpit fuse programmability. Rendering it highly effective in neutralizing a target, the weapon system incorporates the latest global navigation satellite system, the GNSS, receiver technology, as well as highly sophisticated GPS anti-jamming solution.
In the UAE, that has been involved in the design and production of precision-guided munitions. The range of weapons that you see behind me are the weapons that we are designing and manufacturing in the UAE. What you see on display here is at least 3 of the versions of a very modular range of long-range precision-guided munitions. On my left, we have the imaging infrared seeker on a long-range version. This weapon is capable of engaging targets up to 120 kilometers. It's an all-weather fire and forget solution, all indigenous. The system is very modular with 3 different types of dual-mode seekers. They're all INS, GNSS capable with either a no terminal phase seeker or a semi-active laser seeker or an imaging infrared seeker which enhances accuracy in terminal phase. As you can see, the weapon in the middle is positioned as it is in flight with the wings open. The one on the right is a Mark 81. So what makes this system, the Al Tariq, so unique in the world, apart from the fact that it's the longest range of all PGMs in its class in the world, is the modularity. The system fits on any of the Mark 80 series aerial bombs, Mark 81, the 120 kilograms, or the Mark 82, the 250 kilograms, or the bigger bombs as well, the 450 kilogram and the 880 kilogram. The system is designed for use on UAVs, small platforms, as well as fast latest generation fighter aircraft. At the moment, we are targeting a regional market in the MENA region, the Middle East, North Africa region. This is where our primary aim is. It's not our only aim. We have also been successful in demonstrating the system elsewhere in the world, and we are in advanced discussions with a few friendly air forces for the supply of this weapon. We are part of the missile and weapons cluster, so Al Tariq works very closely with a company like HALCON in the supply of the weapon system to the local user. So being part of the EDGE group, we enjoy the benefit of making use of a variety of the EDGE entities in our supply chain.
The United Arab Emirates have developed their first local-made anti-ship cruise missile, named HAS-250, which stands for HALCON Anti-Ship 250. The anti-ship cruise missiles was designed by HALCON, a subdivision of EDGE, a cluster of defense and security companies based in the United Arab Emirates. HALCON is a regional leader in the production and supply of precision-guided weapons. Part of the missiles and weapons cluster of EDGE, the company also provides special manufacturing solutions, automation and robotics consulting, and advisory services that help customers achieve their operational and tactical goals. With its HAS-250, HALCON has developed a new generation of naval anti-ship cruise missile. Engineered to provide the highest performance, the HAS-250 utilizes Global Navigation Satellite and Inertial Navigation System (GNSS plus INS). And for high accuracy targeting, it's equipped with an active passive terminal seeker and radio altimeter. The HAS-250 surface-to-surface missile can travel at speeds of up to 0.8 Mach at a range of 250 kilometers. During its terminal phase, it can fly towards its target at a sea-skimming altitude of 5 to 10 meters with a solid propellant and turbojet engine. The 5.4-meter-long missile has a cross weight of 1,200 kilos and can carry a 200-kilo warhead. The HAS-250 anti-ship missile features a seeker with an active passive radar radio altimeter for greater precision against naval and coastal targets. Offering the mission planner wide flexibility, the missile can operate at altitude of up to 3 kilometers and as low as 5 to 10 meters above the ground. At EDGE 2021, HALCON also presented a mobile coastal missile defense system based on a 6x6 Astra truck chassis HD 6648. The rear of the truck chassis is fitted with 2 launcher containers to fire the HAS-250 anti-ship missile. The system is designed to engage surface ships, including carrier battle groups, convoys, and landing craft. HALCON, a company based in the United Arab Emirates and a regional leader in the production and supply of precision-guided weapons, has developed and designed a full range of precision-guided munition, including the P2 Desert Sting and the P3 Thunder family. HALCON produces 2 lines of drop-launch unpropelled precision guidance kit systems. These air-to-surface kits incorporate aerodynamic tail control to guide downrange, cross-range, and back-range. The Thunder system provides guided delivery for NATO standard warheads of Mark 81, 82, and 84, while the Desert Sting system provides delivery for warheads ranging from 5 to 25 kilos. The P2 Desert Sting system provides a high-altitude drop-launch guidance kit system, offering 100, 129, and 176 caliber options. Desert Sting uses aerodynamic tail control to reach the target. The P2 Desert Sting family consists of different variants, including models 5, 8, 16, and 25, distinguished by weight and warhead size, all based on the same technology building blocks. The weapons employ guidance systems and semi-active lasers for accurate terminal guidance and moving target engagements. The weapons utilize a HALCON design source interface unit and can be deployed on multiple weapon racks 2 or 4 on aircraft and unmanned aerial vehicles, independent of the level of integration with the aircraft. An inertial measurement unit and global navigation satellite system measurements, or GNSS, guide the system to the pre-programmed target coordinates. A semi-active laser seeker can optionally be fitted to enhance the precision. These systems offer the flexibility of configuration with multiple fuse options, including impact, height of burst, and proximity. The P3 Thunder is a family of cost-effective short-range guidance kits that can be fitted to the Mark 82 for the P32 and Mark 81 for the P31 general-purpose aerial munitions. Thunder utilizes inertial guidance augmented by GNSS information. A semi-active laser seeker configuration further improves the accuracy performance against designated targets. The Mark 81 is a 110-kilo general-purpose bomb nicknamed Firecracker, while the Mark 84 is a 459-kilo bomb. The Mark 84 is streamlined steel casing containing 202 kilos of tritonal high explosive. Designed to provide guided delivery of standard general-purpose bombs, the Thunder system represents a cost-effective, short-range kit system that guides the weapon toward pre-programmed target coordinates. A semi-active laser seeker can optionally be fitted to enhance the precision. The Thunder kit is offered in P31, P32 and P4 configurations. The P31 and 32 guidance kits can be fitted to the Mark 82 and Mark 81 bombs respectively, while the P4 can be fitted to the Mark 84 general purpose bomb.